Is it time to buy or sell the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF? In this video, we will explore the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, and we are now here to provide a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You will want to stay informed about any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since August 23, 2024, our system has identified the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.1. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.26%. This equates to an average return of 0.01% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated in the lower section of a narrow and robust rising trend in the short term, which often indicates an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $97.88 be breached, it would initially signify a slower rate of increase and could serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, it indicates a possible change of 10.03% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 9.17% to 14.01%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it points to a 7.37% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return fluctuating between negative 1.18% and 15.26%. This corresponds to a price range from $97.48 to $113.70 after a year. Our latest daily update for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond includes the headline: iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF price ended at 98.65 on Tuesday after losing 0.0203%. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF price fell by negative 0.0203% on the last day Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, dropping from 98.67 to 98.65. It has now declined for 6 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.06%, ranging from a low of 97.85 to a high of 98.89. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days, down by negative 2.03% during this period. Additionally, the trading volume fell on the last day alongside the ETF, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should typically follow the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 4 million shares, with a total of 31 million shares exchanged for approximately $3.04 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $101.64, while the lowest price was $82.42. Currently, the price is 2.94%, or $2.99 below the 52-week high, and 45.10%, or $81.05 below the all-time high on March 9, 2020, when the price reached $179.70. Long-term bond yields are on the rise, driven by increasing inflation expectations following recent cuts by the Federal Reserve. As the Fed maintains a cautious approach towards inflation, this could lead to higher yields, creating significant risk for long-dated government bonds, including the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF, or TLT. The current national debt of $35 trillion adds to these risks, making TLT more susceptible to shifts in inflation. As of September 20th, 2024, the yield on the 10-year Treasury note was 3.73%, with similar upward trends for other bonds. These rising yields could pressure the TLT's price downward in the short term. The Fed's aggressive rate cuts, intended to support economic growth amid inflation control measures, indicate a volatile environment for bond investors. Looking ahead, if inflation remains unchecked and market sentiment indicates a de-anchoring of inflation expectations, TLT could face further declines. However, from a longer-term perspective, if accelerated rate cuts successfully stabilize the economy, TLT might regain strength as a traditional safe haven alongside economic recovery. Investors need to remain vigilant, as these shifts in monetary policy will heavily influence TLT's performance in both the immediate and longer horizon. The following signals have been identified for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond exchange-traded fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is simultaneously a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the exchange-traded fund, leading to a positive forecast for the stock. If gains continue, the exchange-traded fund will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $99.60. Conversely, if it declines, the exchange-traded fund will find support from the long-term average at approximately $98.42. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will produce a sell signal. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, September 16, 2024, and thus far it has fallen by 2.64%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which diminishes the overall risk, as volume should typically follow price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 39 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 66 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond finds support from accumulated volume at $98.28. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low for this stock. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund moved $1.04 between its high and low, which is a change of 1.06%. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the exchange-traded fund has been 0.89%. Now let's explore some potential day trading levels for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond is at 98.67. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond faces its first support level at 98.28. If this support level remains intact, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $94.02, reflecting a decrease of 4.69%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, contributing to a lower risk profile. Additionally, a sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that occurred 32 days ago. Is the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF a good investment? Several short-term indicators, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable probability for the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF to perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 25th of September, we anticipate that the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF will open lower by 18.7 cents and begin trading at $98.46. It is important to note that trading carries significant risks, including the potential for loss of capital. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.